Yeah, I'm back! Yay! OBS is acting up apparently. So. Alright, let's hop back over here. So, my goal. Here's the problem that we're going to work on. This is the sidebar. It also acts as a header when it's being responsive at a smaller screen resolution. And what I want is for this to be a little bit more opaque because I want it to show this picture in the background a little bit through. Maybe not this quite transparent, but maybe as transparent as this. Like you can barely see it, but you can see it through it. It gives it some sort of dynamic dimension. Yeah, I know it's not. I know it's not the background of the sidebar, but I still haven't figured out where it's located because I tried, for example, but this gives the whole thing color. So it gives the entire page color. So it's stuck in between there and another thing. So let's do this. Okay, so this is true. I might actually, if you're following what Jurgen is saying, is apparently there's a buffering problem. And so what I might actually do is just go solely on livecoding.tv because that's where most of my peeps are. So show me love, show me love, show me love. All right, so I'm a little stumped, I'll be honest. Let's see. I cannot seem. And it'll be something where I slap myself in the forehead, I know it. But until then, it's one of those things that's frustrating. And I can't find the height of this one section. I know it's this div, but I need behind that div, but it's not the page. And the body background is the image. So my brain will eventually figure it out, but I don't want this to be painful for everyone else, so We have the page. We have this, which I'm not quite even sure where that is. So I see a lot of people jumping in and out of the chat, which tells me that you're trying to restart this. You're refreshing the screen, and honestly, I'll be honest, I don't think it's you all. I think it's what's between me and you. It's something called Restream. And next time I'll stream, I'll just stream straight on Les. So I like being on Twitch, but there's not a whole lot of people that follow me on there anyway. So Jurgen, can you enlighten me? Please tell me, what am I missing? Because this is getting a little frustrating, and I'd rather learn than be stuck forever on one thing. It's funny, someone mentioned earlier, and I think it was Jurgen, that he's glad he doesn't have to work with WordPress anymore, and I'm pretty big on WordPress. I love it for reasons of client ease for the most part. But when it comes to like being an actual code modifier, it's a pain in the butt. So I love you, WordPress, but sometimes you're hard to work with. Sometimes it'd be nice just to have some straight up HTML and CSS. This is true. So what else do we have to do? I want to change the footer text as well. So while we wait there, I'm going to hop back over onto OBS and change my screen over if it will ever pop up. Oh my gosh, everything's being difficult right now. Let's do this. Nope. So we're gonna hop over here, and I'm gonna change some footer text. Right now we're in 2015. In the body. Huh. We'll look at that here in a second. And here I'm actually modifying the PHP footer. So if you're looking, let me move this. Not that. Give me what I want. Thank you. So I'm trying to modify the proudly powered by WordPress part. And by trying, I'm going to, because I know where it's at. Well, I know in Divi where it is. That's what I should say. That's what I get for messing with a new theme. And what does everything have to be? So I don't think it's in here. No, I don't write PHP, so forgive me if I'm not getting this. Don't write PHP yet. Really? Just stop going to sleep over there. There we go. Your job is to stay on. Where is it? That's a note. And a note. There, my brain is not working. So, usually I just modify this. And so, okay, so for those of you who have been following along the whole time, I'm editing the parent theme here because this is PHP, this is not CSS. I'm sure there is a way to create the theme footer and then put it in the child theme, but I'm not going to worry about that right now because I'm just not. And then they have WordPress, which I'm assuming this is the right. So we're going to change this. Change this to something small. Update over here. And so when we click on this should take me to my website. Oh. What the hell just happened? Pause for a moment. I know it's there. So I didn't quite do what we wanted to. And it was taking us somewhere else. Oh, sorry, yes, I did. Okay, we've got the text. I'll come back and manage the links here in a minute. We'll take a note. One problem at a time. So let's go back to so Jurgen answered my question earlier. I said I was looking for the background color of the sidebar in its entirety, not just its parts, and asked him where it was located. And he said, yes, it's before the element in the body. Okay. It's got a fixed position and a width with a calc property which is set to 50% minus the width of the sidebar. While the element before the body would be the head. So and let's show you what I am doing. On okay. So I'm in the head. I'm in the style. Got HTML, HTML body.